The biggest is born from the smallest. From spark to fire, from cell to human, from idea to business. Only in the right conditions, in the right moment, big things happen. Welcome to Slovenia, a land in Central Europe, right in the heart of the Alpi-Adria region. A place with colorful nature, beautiful cities, strong entrepreneurial culture, and ambitious talents. A place for living and creating. Slovenia is one of the fastest growing startup hubs with modern infrastructure, vibrant startup ecosystem, wide range of startup programs, and well-educated and ambitious talents. Welcome to the vibrant startup community.
Positive aspects of starting business in Slovenia is that Slovenia is a very small country and it's like a playground for starting new projects and then launching them internationally.
Financial resources available for startups in Slovenia are actually very good. Slovene Enterprise Fund is helping us and other startups with grants and other initiatives, building our products and being competitive on global markets.
There's a lot of environments that are available for startups, for example technology parks, incubators and so on. And also, for example, where we've received some of the funding is through Slovene Entrepreneurship Fund, which is funded through European Commission, and we received incentives for innovative companies.
If you're a startup, crowdfunding is a good thing to do because you get feedback from the customers, you test the market, you get the funds to start the company, and also you build a community. Three most important lessons in crowdfunding campaigns are: story is number one, traffic, how much people you bring to your campaign is number two, and number three is the team that you work with and that you have good relationships before and also that you keep the good relationship after the campaign.
The best about having a startup in Slovenia is having big markets as neighbors which you can sell your products to.
Seize the moment.
Be the change.
Make it happen.